Imagine losing 5 customers every year to simple glitches. That is the reality for many businesses today. Most people judge your brand in under 10 seconds. Some decide to leave in just 5. A poor website experience is a major pain point. It drives users away and hurts your bottom line. Curtis Priest, the CEO of Pixelcarve, says it best. He notes that failing to keep sites current is risky. It leads to technical issues and broken functionality. Visitors then see outdated info and conflicting designs. This experience erodes the trust you work hard to build. Your website is the digital face of your business. It needs to stay fast, secure, and reliable. A solid maintenance plan helps you stay ahead. Think of it as a routine for your success. Start with small weekly checks to prevent big headaches. Scan for malware and fix any broken links immediately. These small steps keep your foundation very strong. Once a month, dive a little bit deeper. Update your CMS and plugins to stay secure. Test your contact forms to keep leads coming in. Speed audits also help keep your visitors happy. Every quarter, take a look at the bigger picture. Review your SEO and refresh your visual content. Curtis Priest suggests your site needs a regular tune-up. It should reflect who you are right now. It should not look like last year's version. Once a year, do a full strategic review, renew your domain, and check your legal pages. This ensures your site is ready to grow further. Consistent care protects your investment and your reputation. It makes your site a safe place for customers. You can read the full article on our website. It features the complete checklist to guide your team. You can also add this to your Spotify playlist. Take the guesswork out of your digital strategy today. Ensure your website performs at its absolute peak.